technologies like your VR, AR, MR, XR, your content creations, your 2D, 2.5D, 3D walkthroughs. We bring all together, we mix those complete technologies together and bring this experience. And every experience is tailor made. Every experience is tailor made. We tailor make those experiences so well that anybody listens to those stories, they buy the product or services. This is going to be a revolution in the Indian market. When I say 4.0 industrial verticals, it's very difficult to digest. Today, every company owners are from the last generation. They don't understand technology. So we have mixed all this technology and we bring to the end user as experiential marketing tool, experiential sales tool, and very soon experiential learning tool. Okay, experiential marketing tool will help people to market their product in a very healthy manner where their revenues can hit from 1x to 10x. Coming back to sales, anybody is into sales, let it be any industry. Let it be a hospitality industry, let it be a manufacturing industry, let it be an automobile industry, let it be a retail industry. Every industry, every industrial product, we will bring that twist, we'll bring that pepper and salt to taste those stories better. Where we can bring that real-time experience in front of your eyes. You experience the product, you experience the services, then buy it. And with very economy cost effective. See, we are talking about giving this kind of experience at 1 rupee per customer, which is not more, which is not big. Spending 1 rupee where your story is recalled, just your product is bought, that is going to be a revolution. And we are very successful. And whichever customer we have catered, they come out with results. And my company wants to be the catalyst in making every business to from 1x to 10x. I want that revenue to be jumped. We don't talk about product, we don't talk about selling a product. We always talk about ROI, return on investment. This is what you are investing on my product and this is what you are going to get. Okay, this is what my product is all about.
Sir, your product with the current 4G, how fast it is?
Sir, it is basically when I'm talking about, see, it works with 3G, it works with 4G, it works with 5G. The only thing is the phones. It works with all the smartphones. We have bifurcated, that's why we are saying tailor-made technologies. We say that if you want a high-end vertical of augmented reality, we give you a high-end vertical of augmented reality. You want the low end, that is a normal 8,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees smartphone should work, we build that kind of technology. And the very good agenda here is, you don't require any applications to get downloaded. You have to just open your phone cameras, scan it. And you see the experience. And see now, after COVID, people have understood, people have come to digital vertical. Now we are enhancing that digital vertical. See, people know what is QR code because everywhere they scan QR codes. Now QR code is what? I scan a QR code, I go to Ambattur. What is AR code? I bring Ambattur here. That is what is the simplicity. Okay? QR code, you go to that place, you go to some web browser, you browse. You go to some YouTube channel and browse. And when I go to some YouTube channel and browse, there are a lot of competitors there. And I get deviated. But here, when I scan, that individual end user customer only is seen in front of my eyes. And I don't go anywhere. I'm here. And see, this is a revolution only because, see, this technology is 10 years old, 12 years old technology. It is not opted by people only because the user friendly of that was difficult. Now thanks to the digital vertical, today every smartphone can access this. See, VR, when I say VR, you need those glasses. You wear that glasses, you don't see anything. Now AR is something that you only require one smartphone. And today everybody has got smartphones. And this is a very good vertical. And coming back to education, come on, my child is doing too good. She understands everything because she's seeing in the real world. And I want now every children, your children, to experience that kind of learning. Let us not, let children don't go with that dilemma where I and you went. Where we bifurcate ourselves. Oh, no, I have not scored, you have not scored, I have failed. No, let's bring the revolution. Now, we see a lot of education verticals today. But everybody are teaching the same old subject. Okay? If at all somebody is teaching something like this, it is costing bomb. But see, I want a student just by paying 50 rupees, just by paying 50 rupees can access all his textbooks multiple time. எதுக்கு புரியறதில்ல? டீச்சர் ஒரு வயசு பாடம் பண்றாங்க, எனக்கு புரியாது, ஒரு வயசு பாடம் பண்றாங்க. பட் ஒரு வயசு பாடத்தை பார்த்துட்டு நான் வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு 10 தடவை போனை கொண்டாந்தா 10 தடவை பாடம் எடுக்கும் என் கண்ணு எதுவும். அப்ப எனக்கு கண்டிப்பா புரியும். பீங் அ பேரண்ட், நான் தமிழ் தான் படிச்சிருக்கிறது, என் குழந்தை வந்து இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசும், எனக்கு புரியாது. ஸோ நவ் ஐ மூவ் மை ஃபோன் ஆன் தி டெக்ஸ்ட் புக், அதுல தமிழ் லாங்குவேஜ் கிளிக் பண்ணாக்கா இங்கிலீஷ்ல என்ன, சயின்ஸ்ல என்ன சாப்டர் இருக்கு, தமிழ்ல எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாது, நான் புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் as a parent. அப்ப நான் ஈஸியா என் குழந்தைக்கு சொல்லி தருவேன். So this kind of things I need to bring in, and I'm not looking at high level profit margins. I am looking at very decent pricing where everybody today can afford. ஒரு 50 ரூபாய்க்கு I want to give this kind of education. And to be honest with you guys, I am feeling very proud and happy because your government is also encouraging us. That's happy to it. See, you do understand, if you are paying everybody money, the product price will obviously go high. An end user has to fetch that. Today this government is encouraging us, they are saying PPP model, I am very happy with that model. Because I can give my product at very least pricing, not commercial. And one more good thing guys, see, this kind of digital vertical requires an internet. We have a technology where you don't require an internet. I can build an offline application where the child doesn't require an application, internet. Even on a hill station, the child can take a phone and study. Today I have an offline application I can show you where I can put this phone into airplane mode and show you the content. So like this, we are here to build that experiential learning, experiential marketing, experiential sales for every damn end users at very economy cost. And guys, I want your support. See, you are the people who is what. See, I can spend thousands of rupees. Again, the thousands of rupees will get added on my product. Okay, today I spend 2 crore rupees on marketing. The 2 crore I have to remove it from the product. My product costing goes up. That is not my agenda. I will not do any marketing, but I will make sure that I will give an economy price-oriented product to every end user. I can build anything in technology. We have a huge team on technology and we can build anything and everything in technology. We have proved it. Today, lot of big companies, lot of multi-crore companies are our customers. And I'm sorry that I cannot name them because it becomes a publicity stunt. We are already catering to education. Big legendary people in education sector, we have built the product. And they are encashing it for bigger revenue. But why should I give the product to somebody and through somebody it comes to somebody with a high costing? I want to bring this product to everybody at a minute costing. I think I've answered your question.
Thank you.
Of 4.2 technology, Sir K. Shivakumar, respected mentor of 4.2 technology, Sir MJ Shrikant, respected CTO of 4.2 technology, Sir Madhuchandar, distinguished guest, friends from the media, and everyone, pleasant evening to one and all, pleasant evening. Actually, first of all, when Mr. Shivakumar came into my office to introduce himself, he came with so many gold chains and bracelets. I thought he's from the jewelry section. He's going to launch some kind of jewelry store in Chennai or Tamil Nadu. He's a owner of some kind of jewelry stores like Joe's or Joy or Casa. Then later he opened himself. He told that he's from Bangalore and he's owning a company called this 4.2 technology, and he's into the latest reality, far higher than augmented reality, the mixed reality. He showed me up all his works and everything regarding the mixed reality, and I was really astonished to see all the kind of latest technologies in the mixed reality. As he said, he brought our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and he showed me in the office, and when I visualized in the phone, I was really astonished. I was really happy to see our Father of Nation inside my room. And so, as he said, he can bring anything. In this generation, as soon as we get up, the first thing we see is our phone. And before we sleep, the last thing we see is our mobile. So we are so digitally attached. And in fact, we should think digital for the good, digitally for the good, digitally for the development, digitally for the improvement. So we have brought so many things when it comes to digital. And the way he spoke, I think no one could sleep. He was so much full of energy, so strong, so clear. Even I thought of taking a nap in between, but I couldn't. Sitting behind him, he was so loud and clear, but full of energy in his thoughts, in his business. I really appreciate all his efforts. And when it comes to tourism industry, he has already spoke to me about bringing about new experience centers in various parts of Tamil Nadu. As you all know, this government, the DMK, resigned under our Chief Minister. We are taking this tourism into a different direction. We have brought very much new, innovative announcements. The first time in the tourism department, we have brought a new scheme called the Tourism Destination Development Scheme, where we pick up certain places and we develop the place from a tourist point of view. We bring many new eco-camping structures, we bring adventure sports in the same tourism place. Then Pumbugar, in many other tourism places, we are planning to do it in a PPP mode, public-private partnership mode. And I said, we'll do all the essential things one by one, step by step, we'll do one by one. We'll bring new experience centers, and I think that will be a very good experience to the tourist and all the people in Tamil Nadu, and not only from Tamil Nadu, in other tourists who fly in. Not only in tourism, I think this mixed reality can be used in any field, any department, and it would be so much useful for the students as well when it comes to education, and it can be useful for the doctors, for learning purposes, for anything, for the customers who want to buy a car, a scooter. As he said, like, they can see it and they can then decide what they want to buy and everything. So I was really so much excited and about this mixed reality, and I think this 4.2 technologies in Chennai is going to take off very nicely, very proudly,